you want to set up text-to-speech on Android, first of all we need to install our Google Accessibility suite. So open up your Play Store, open up your search tab and find your Google Accessibility suite. Once again, make sure that it's from Google, and it's quite an important step. Now press install and give it a couple minutes to do so. Alright, after we did it, let's open up our settings. Scroll down to our accessibility tab. Here it is. Choose it. Now we're gonna find our installed apps. And here make sure to activate your select to speak option. Here it is. Activate it. Press allow. And here is our accessibility button. So to stop or stop this function, you have to tap the functions icon on the screen. Press got it. So for further settings, you can do this from this exact menu. So here are your shortcuts to activate it. Here are your settings. You can choose reading background, read text and images, text to speech settings, change reading voice, and so on and so forth. So let's try how it works. Open any kind of website, for example, Googleplex, right? Or let's open up our Wikipedia page and let's tap on this icon.
Wikipedia. Search. Googleplex. Article. Top. Language. Download PDF. Watch. View source. Not to be confused with Googleplex. A. Googleplex is the large number.
So when you wanted to stop, simply press on the stop icon right here, and you can always go back to it any further. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing on our channel.